Hey Jeremy, have you ever been to the doctor and the doctor puts you on a prescription and you're taking it and you find out later that you could have done something natural to fix it, or you know a family member that, you know what, taking this prescription for the rest of my life just doesn't make sense?
Yeah, I'm not big on meds myself, to be honest. I definitely would take the homeopathic, route myself.
Well, you know what, I'm finding out that I think that's true in our industry. And here's what I'm thinking. Why would a manufacturer put on a fuel system or an EGR filtration system that makes their injectors last much longer, makes their EGR system last 6 times longer, injectors 3 times longer? They want to get out of the warranty period, and then they want to be able to make money on replacement parts, right? We have so many thousands of dealers that support us. Go talk to them about what Air does to injectors. Give us a call. Well, look at the videos online. But if you go to a Caterpillar, you go to some of these Cummins shops, they're going to be, yes, our doctor's the best and they know everything. Our engineers know everything. But yeah,
I'm just going to add, and they say that, but they know that they just got to get you past, whether it be a local shop, their warranty period, right? Just get you beyond that, because after that, it's on the owner, right? It's not on them.
What we're finding out with a lot of our calls when we're calling our dealers is that they're reporting to us that most EGR system failures fail over the 100,000 mile mark. Some of them are about in the 80,000, but very few. Most of them are in about the 120 to 150 range, to where you get a lot of failure. You know, put a FASS system on at the day one, you're going to go over 700,000 miles. That's what we're looking at with 6 times. Okay, you put a fuel system on at the beginning, we're going to triple the life of your injectors. But they're going to get you over the finish line of their warranty, majority of them, and then they're going to start raking in the bucks.
The true ROI for the consumer, in my opinion, is well beyond that. Because I know, me personally, I'm going to keep a truck for a very long time because I know what it costs to replace it. So I'm going to protect my investment well beyond the warranty period by installing a FASS each and every time.